Wake Forest Baptist Health Update.
Hi, I'm Karen Myers with your latest Wake Forest Baptist Health Update. And today we're talking about the heart, specifically heart attacks. And I'm here with Tom Freeman, who is a PA with Wake Forest Baptist Health. Tom, can you tell me exactly what is a heart attack?
A heart attack is when a blockage occurs in the blood vessel that serves the heart muscle. If that happens, then that part of the muscle could die, obviously being serious.
So exactly what are the risk factors here?
Risk factors would include uncontrolled hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, and the big one is smoking.
And symptoms. I understand the symptoms might be different from men and women. Tell me about the symptoms of both.
Men are very predictable. They have crushing chest pain, pain down the arm, pain down in their neck, and they could also have shortness of breath and nausea. Women may not experience the same symptoms. They might experience just upper level discomfort.
I understand sometimes even a pain in the jaw that some women may have.
Yes, that definitely can occur.
So if one thinks they're having a heart attack, and in our culture we don't like to impose upon people, but what should we do?
You should definitely call 911.
Well, I thank you, Tom, for coming in today.
Thank you.
And we thank you for watching our Wake Forest Baptist Health Update.
For more information on this topic, log on to wakehealth.edu.